Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is on nervous system. Nervous system control all of our function that we performed is under control of the nervous system. So nervous system have two types. Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Nervous system. Central nervous system. Our brain stem and spinal cord. Our brain and spinal cord is under control of the central nervous system. Central nervous system control our brain function and our spinal cord function. Everything that is under control of the brain is central nervous system and spinal cord. Everything that is performed by the spinal cord and any work of the spinal cord is under control of the central nervous system. So only human brain and spinal cord consist on the central nervous system. The nerves that originate out from the brain and the spinal cord made the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, the nerves that originate from the brain and spinal cords and enter in our peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system like our hand, our arms, like our hands, our arms, our body and our legs, our feet, except brain and spinal cord, and all the nerves that present in arms, hands, body, legs, feet. The function that is performed from the legs, hands, body, legs, arms is under control of the peripheral nervous system. So peripheral nervous system, the nerves of the peripheral nervous system control of our hand movement, our arms movement, our body movement and our legs movement, our feet movement is under control of the peripheral nervous system. Okay, is under control of the peripheral nervous system. So peripheral nervous system has two types: autonomic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system consists on our visual organ, the organ that we cannot touch, we cannot see, and automatically performed their function. Visual organ like our heartbeat, our heart pumping, our liver, our lungs, our kidney, our intestine, okay, and our spleen, our pancreas, all the body organs that we cannot touch and not see is a visual organ like this, and this visual organ function is not in our control. This visual organ function like our blood pumping, our heartbeat, our respiration, our food digestion, and our food storage is not in our control, and this function is performed automatically. These visceral organ perform their function automatically, not is in our control. It's called voluntary. It's voluntary, not our control. We name this involuntary. Sorry, involuntary. Involuntary, not is in our control. The autonomic nervous system control that visceral organ function. The visceral organ function is under control of our autonomic nervous system. That is not in our control. We cannot digest our food according to our desire. We cannot respirate according to our desire. We cannot pump blood according to our desire. We cannot store food according to our desire. So this visceral organ function is controlled autonomic nervous system. Autonomic means automatically function that performed under these visceral organ, not is in our control, involuntary. And second type of the peripheral nervous system is somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is our control. Means somatic nervous system is our control and is voluntary. Somatic nervous system consists on our legs nerves, feet nerves, arms nerves, hand nerves. The movement of our legs, our feet, our arms, our hands is under control of the somatic nervous system and is voluntary. We can move our hands, feet, arms, legs according to our work, according to our desire. So this is voluntary system and is in our control. We can move according to our work, according to our desire. So somatic nervous system consists on our legs, feet, our arms, our hands. So this is the second type of the peripheral nervous system. So we discuss here nervous system types, two types: peripheral nervous system, central nervous system. Central nervous system consists on brain and spinal cord. The nerves that originate from the brain and spinal cord made the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system again have two types: autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system control our visceral organ body function, visceral organ function, and this not is in our control. The function of that visceral organ that not is in our control and is involuntary. Autonomic nervous system control that visceral organ function, and somatic nervous system is in our control and is a voluntary. Our body movement, our body balance, our movement of the legs, feet, arms, etc. Our walking, our jogging is under control of the somatic nervous system. We can move, we can work according to our desire. So hope you clearly understand that video lecture. And next video lecture we discuss types of the nervous system. So like and share and also watch. Thanks for supporting me.